guys, one and all. How's everyone doing? I think I'm tilted. I'm at a place I've never been to before. First time. It's called Don's Drive-In. The burger sauce. We got our burger. Yes. Sweet. They have my favorite fries. Crinkle cut. Just like the picture shows. Heck yeah. Alright. So I went with the bacon cheeseburger again. Very much my standard go-to. Oh, here she is. Now what I like about this immediately that the bacon is hanging out of the burger. And I've actually got like 3 pieces on there. Patty, lettuce, tomato. Oh damn! I got a good burger. Real good burger. See that? When you get a bacon cheeseburger and you gotta go take a bite, that bacon hanging out of it. Oh yeah. All right, so here's the burger. Nice big piece of lettuce on there, bacon. And there's tomato underneath the lettuce. And I know I tasted pickle. And then of course, as I mentioned, my favorite fry, the crinkle cut. Delicious. Now they're on fry sauce too. And let me give it a try. It tastes just like the fry sauce that they served at where's that place I went to? Oh, Shake and Go. It tastes just like it. It tastes like a ketchup mayo blend. It doesn't taste bad. It's just Red Nose so far has the best burger sauce, I think. That I've tasted anyway. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I gotta tell you, I'm very much enjoying this burger. It's really good. The veggies are all good and fresh and tasty. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. It's kind of a mess, so I'll show you the paper here. Make sure you get napkins, or make sure you ask for them. Wow. That's a good burger, though. Man, I like that. I like that a lot. Well, I'll tell you what. That was a damn good burger. Really damn good burger. I like that a lot. That probably had to be top 5. Maybe I should do that. I should start doing like a top 10 list. Maybe. Maybe I'll try to find a dry erase board and I'll just write them all on there and try to pick my top 5. But yeah, that was awesome. Really good burger. Don's Drive-In, Puyallup, Washington. Literally right across the street from the Puyallup Fairgrounds. But you can actually see the wall. I might turn the camera and show you, but right on the other side of the street is the wall of the fairgrounds, where they have fairs and events, and they had like an outdoorsman show there one time, but it was kind of a bust. It was more for hunters, even though they called it an outdoorsman show. I mean, it was just all right, but man, that was a good burger. So, as always, I will learn to speak someday. But I thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the Local Eats playlist if you want to check out any other burger places I've been doing. And as always, have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one.